Hi, Stephen from electricwheels.store. We've just arrived in the beautiful city of Suzhou, taking the fast train from Shanghai. This is where all the wheel covers are made. As you can see, a beautiful historic temple behind, and then a massive train station with 16 platforms behind us. The high-speed train from Shanghai takes around 30 minutes to arrive in Suzhou. Come along, we'll look at how we make, paint and dispatch wheel covers. Really high quality plastic. So we've got 85% ABS, really high quality plastic. Then that's mixed with a 25% PC plastic, again really high quality. And then we put a little bit of this black stuff in as well. This is for colouring, so this makes the wheel covers come out black. So they go into this vat here, and the vat sucks it into the machine, which makes the wheel covers. Just want to show you the difference. So this wheel cover here is made of the cheap plastic you saw earlier. If you look like that, it's really flexible, not high quality. Compare that to the ABS and DC wheel covers that we sell at electricwheels.store. Really high quality, really high quality. Okay, so this is the injection molding machine. So the plastic comes from the vat here, it gets sucked up with this pipe, it's melted up here and pushed down through the machine into the molding machine. 400 tons of pressure goes into it. At the end of it, the wheel cover. This is where the plastic's been injected in, really high quality. What we do now is we strip this off here and we send it to a paint shop to get painted. The mold is what makes the wheel cover. So each of these molds is worth $50,000 to sell. I'm using this as an example. It's one of our test wheel covers. The plastic goes into the middle, and then the water cooled on the outside allows the cover to cool quickly up. Here we go, a lovely pink old store. We don't stock these in the UK yet, but maybe we should. Put a comment down below. Okay, so here's the two different types of wheel covers. So some of the sellers on AliExpress sell the cheaper wheel cover. So this is the wheel cover that's fresh out of the injection mold and is unpainted. So it's got a very bland finish, very low quality. Whereas electricwheels.store, we're a very high quality finish. This has been come out fresh out of the paint booth. Okay, we saw earlier the wheel covers getting painted. Once they're painted, they put this box here and they're transported to the packaging factory. So you can see here, really high quality packaging. We have the top cover that protects the wheel and the bottom pack around it as well. And we protect the rear as well. So we take 4 of these wheel covers, and then we put them in the box. Package the box out and send it back to the UK. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching about how wheel covers are created. So please visit electricwheels.store to see if you can buy a wheel cover for your own Tesla and use the discount code VIDEO to get 5% off your order.